Welcome. Today I am going to talk to you about PFAS. I would like to lead you through a reflection on highly fluorinated chemical compounds, exploring the delicate balance between the convenience of non-stick and waterproof products and our health. These compounds, known for their stain and water-repellent effectiveness, belong to one of 6 chemical classes that harbor many controversial substances found in consumer products and building materials. Despite their practicality, these compounds are closely associated with serious health problems and have a tendency to persist in the environment indefinitely. They are man-made in nature, created and used in various products before being disposed of. From industrial plants and discharges, they can contaminate waterways, thus affecting our food and drinking water. Our exposure to these compounds also occurs through common products, such as in our homes or workplaces. Fetuses and children are particularly vulnerable during crucial stages of development. One of the most studied examples of PFAS compounds is PFOA, also known as sea oct, which is associated with several issues such as renal and testicular carcinoma, elevated cholesterol levels, reduced fertility, thyroid problems, and interference with hormone function. The persistence and toxicity of these compounds make them capable of traveling long distances, polluting, and remaining in the environment for millions of years. There are currently more than 3,000 highly fluorinated chemical compounds in circulation, found in a variety of products, such as carpets, cleaning products, food packaging, furniture items, cosmetics, outdoor equipment, clothing, adhesives and sealants, protective car coatings, non-stick cookware, car seats, and firefighting foam. In the automotive sector, there are many products that contain PFAS, for example, protectants and coatings. These substances are also present in several spray sealants. You should choose companies that have ISO 14001 certification. This is an international certification. That is, the company is managing its impact on the environment responsibly as it has taken several steps to reduce pollution and promote sustainability in its operations. PFAS, studied extensively for its toxicity and persistence, has been gradually banned. But its name is equally used to name hundreds of other substances such as PFOA, also called C3, C4, C6, and C8. They are now in use. These compounds are called forever chemicals because they can remain in the environment for long periods without degrading naturally. Their persistence and ability to accumulate in living organisms have raised concerns about their potential toxicity. PFOA, C6, and C8 fall into the category of PFAS or forever chemicals. Despite the toxicity of these chemical compounds, they are still used by many companies. These compounds are known for their stability and resistance to degradation, making them persistent in both the environment and the human body. Their widespread presence in various consumer products has raised concerns about their possible toxicity and possible carcinogenic effects. All highly fluorinated compounds, including so-called safer substitutes, present a potential risk and should be avoided unless their function is essential. Before buying products containing these chemical compounds, let's ask ourselves a question. Is their convenience worth the potential for harm? The good news is that some very major brands, such as IKEA, H&M, Crate and Barrel, and Levi Strauss, are adopting policies to eliminate such compounds from their products. In the automotive sector, the company Labocosmetica has already adopted this kind of policy. In fact, it has never used PFAS in its products. Because it has always directed its scientific research with a view to using alternative molecules to PFAS, it has always obtained excellent results. So what can we do? Choose untreated fabrics and carpets without stain and water-repellent agents. Avoid foods in contact with grease-proof packaging, such as microwave popcorn and some fast food products. If you are a professional detailer or not, avoid products that contain PFAS, and PFAS. As of Jan. 1 of the year, PFAS will be banned in cosmetics, waxing, and garment manufacturing except for those for professional protection. The ban excludes cookware, kitchen utensils, and water-repellent car protectants for now. Labocosmetica line offers an excellent range of products carefully described to ensure maximum functionality and satisfaction of your needs. Labocosmetica has never used these types of substances because it not only cares about human health and the environment, but uses alternative molecules researched and studied by the personal team of scientific researchers. Share this video to safeguard not only your health, but also the health of others.